Not know that we would be stuck here, honestly. And we're stuck.
Instead of exploring the ocean or relaxing on the beach, people in Jamaica tonight are bracing for the most powerful storm the island has seen in nearly 30 years. Thanks for staying up with us tonight for THV 11 News at 10. I'm Faith Woodard. Rolly Hoyt has the night off. Hurricane Melissa has grown into a Category 5 storm, and unfortunately, it seems to be a very slow-moving monster. It's moving at a sluggish 3 miles per hour, and after hitting Haiti and the Dominican Republic, it's now set to make landfall in Jamaica overnight. Tonight, an Arkansas woman on vacation in Jamaica is stuck since the airport is shut down. She tells our Catherine Rowley she's still trying to make the best out of a bad situation.
Celebrate a birthday as well as an anniversary, and just to get some time away from our everyday lives. Did not know that we would be stuck here.
That's Paisley Crenchfield, currently in Jamaica with Hurricane Melissa coming towards the island. The government sounding the alarm for evacuations into emergency shelters or to safer buildings like the theater room at the resort where Crenchfield is staying.
They boarded up all the other restaurants. They are now evacuating us to one particular area in the resort. But 10 o'clock is the latest that they want us to be here, and we're not allowed to leave until they let us.
The Category 5 hurricane could bring potentially catastrophic flash flooding and landslides, putting a damper on any more fun island activities this week.
When you come to Jamaica, you're supposed to do the horseback riding, you're supposed to do the clear boats, all the things. And I didn't want to do any of that because the weather never looked good enough for me, but I was not prepared for what we are doing right now.
The storm is already forecasted to be the strongest in the Atlantic this season. Just exactly when those stuck on the island will be able to leave and get home, it's unclear, but Crenchfield is hoping it's soon.
We're supposed to leave and head back to Little Rock, Arkansas on Sunday. They let us know on Saturday late evening that the airport was closed, and so we automatically was like, okay, we got to figure it out. And the next date for us to leave was Thursday.
In Little Rock, Catherine Rowley, THV 11 News.
All right, Catherine, thank you. The strongest known storm to affect Jamaica was Hurricane Gilbert back in 1988, but that was only a Category 4 storm. Tonight, the Red Cross is on the ground, ready to bring in full teams once the storm has passed.